Hey guys.
What's happening, guys?
Yes.
Back in the building with a new recipe. Goat pie or mutton pie.
Curry mutton pie.
Yeah, man. Boneless as well, because you can't have a pie with bare bone up in there.
Man, I saw my brother said, bro, like this mid's banging like curry goat pie. I was like, curry goat pie?
Yeah, man.
I gotta see this, man.
Trust. You say it's February, man. Valentine thing.
Yeah, trust.
You get me? Valentine's thing nowadays. Impress your partner or some goat pie. You know what I'm saying? Something new, spice up the relationship, you know?
Yeah, growing up in the UK, we had a bit of pie, we had a bit of curry goat, and now we just put it all together. Yeah. And guys, this invention is so delicious. You will love it.
You've got a nice potato, coconut, creamy top. Complements the curry goat so much. Carrots in there and the spices. Jeez. Guys, you're gonna love this one. Any recipes you wanna see, comment below. Like, share, comment, subscribe to us. Turn on your notifications as well. And yeah, man, keep spreading the love.
Big up everybody.
Big up everyone, man.
What you think? Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe, man. We've got some great content coming soon.
Yeah. Big up Nanny laughing like with some clowns.
Yeah, man.
Big up, man.
Big up everyone. Peace, yeah?
Take care.
Goat pie.
Is it goat or mutton, bro?
Say what it is? Goat or mutton?
What language is the same?
Yeah, but I think it's the baby, innit? Even goat or mutton, whatever.